Okay, this is the last part of the core activity here. We're going to take a look at the last equation that you solved, and this was x plus 2 equals x plus 2. So we did this with the algebra tiles already. We solved it, and we found out that we came up with a true equation with infinite number of solutions. So many, many solutions. We're going to do this now with algebraic properties and then by graphing. So let's take a look here. Here's x plus 2 equals x plus 2. The first thing that I want you to observe is that this equation is exactly the same on the left side and the right side. When that happens, that already tells you that these are going to be many, many solutions. But let's take a deeper look at as to why. So here we go. We're going to start combining some of these. Minus 2 and a plus 2, those are opposites, they cancel. Bring it over here and combine it with this other 2. Well, those also cancel. So we're left with x equals x. This is true because x can be any number, but as we know that x will be the same number on both sides, of course, because it's the same variable. So 5 equals 5 will be true, 6 equals 6 will be true, 100 equals 100 will be true. Right now, this is a true equation, and this says that there are many solutions. But we're going to go a step further and even get rid of the x. So we're going to go minus x here, minus x here. So that result would be 0 equals 0 because everything's gone. But if you look at 0 equals 0, this is also true. Check. Okay, we checked it. 0 equals 0 is true. Once again, since this is a true equation, the same on both sides, this refers to many different solutions. Now, what does this look like on a graph? Well, let's take a look using our Desmos calculator. One of the equations was x plus 2. So there it is. Okay, we graphed it, and you can get a good visual of it. Now, the other one was also x plus. Well, wait a second. Where'd it go? Well, first of all, it's there, but now we're going to add the plus 2. Now it's right above the other one. Okay, if I click on the first equation, you can see it's right there, the black line. If I click on the second equation, you can see it's right there, the red line. Well, if you zoom in, you still can't see either of them. That's because they're right on top of each other. They're overlapping. Really, they're just the same exact line, and the solutions are all throughout that line. If you sort of think of these as intersecting, well, they're intersecting just about everywhere because they're on top of each other. It's the same line. Okay, so when you graph these and you see that you have graphed the exact same line twice, that means that you have infinite number of solutions, many, many different solutions all throughout this line. Okay, so hopefully that helps. We looked at the 3 different situations. We looked at one solution, no solution, and many, many solutions. So when they ask you how many solutions are there, you can either use your algebra tiles, you can use your algebraic properties to solve the equation, or you could graph them. So there's the 3. Make sure that you review these. They're going to help you out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.